Good morning, friends and family. Got this in the mail, wasn't expecting it. It's from Coin Hunting Couple. Let's see what it is. I already cut it open, but so I could make it a little quicker and easier. Got a new sticker. It was really pretty. They outdone themselves with that sticker. Just gorgeous. All right. Very good job, guys. All right. Dear Doctor Who Coin Collecting, thank you so much for becoming a CHC family member. We truly appreciate you. Hope you enjoy your membership perks, keys, chain, and membership only sticker. All right, let's see what I got. Oh my goodness sakes, isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. 2018 D has a counter stamp on it, CHC. You guys did a great job. Thank you so much for your quick response to all of my emails I send you guys, my weird questions, and for letting me become part of your family. Thank you.